Today, we're diving into a pressing issue for many gig workers: how to get your W-2 from DoorDash. If you've been dashing and earning, you might be wondering how to access your tax documents. Let's break it down. Firstly, it's important to understand that as a DoorDash driver, you're classified as an independent contractor. This means instead of receiving a W-2, you'll likely receive a 1099 NEC form, which is used to report income made as a self-employed individual. To access your 1099 NEC form, you'll need to log into your DoorDash account. DoorDash partners with a platform called Stripe to provide drivers with their 1099 NEC forms. You should receive an email by January 31st with instructions on how to access your 1099 NEC form electronically. If you earned less than $600 for the year, DoorDash is not required to send you a 1099 NEC, but you're still obligated to report your earnings. Here's how you can access your form. 1. Go to the DoorDash website and log into your Dasher account. 2. Navigate to the Earnings section, where you'll find a link to Dasher Direct. This is where your 1099 form will be located if you're eligible to receive one. 3. Follow the prompts to access your 1099 NEC form. You might be redirected to Stripe's portal, where you can download or view your tax documents. If you haven't received an email or can't find your 1099 NEC form on the dashboard, it's a good idea to check your spam folder or contact DoorDash support for assistance. Another key point is ensuring your mailing and email addresses are up to date in your DoorDash account, as this could affect receiving your form. If your details have changed, you can update them through your Dasher profile. In conclusion, getting your tax information as a DoorDash driver involves understanding your status as an independent contractor, knowing you're looking for a 1099 NEC form, not a W-2, and following the right steps to access your documents. Remember, staying on top of your tax documents is crucial for a hassle-free tax season. Thank you for watching. Whether you're new to DoorDash or a seasoned Dasher, understanding how to manage your tax documents is key to ensuring you're prepared for tax season. Stay informed and dash on.